We have some of the biggest airdrop updates to go and talk in this video. So we don't waste time, leave a like, subscribe if you're new, turn the notification bell, and we jump straight here. The first one is the Farcaster NFT over on Zora. As we see here, this piece of third piece of 11 unique Zora NFT, unlocking special benefits in the Lens-holic ecosystem, providing incentives for the upcoming drunk era. So for that token, make sure to go and mint this NFT. The link will be down below. You will receive your airdrop. This is one of those NFTs that to have it, it will allow you to receive the airdrop over on their platform. So very, very important, and definitely super important to go and claim right here as we're doing. So the first link down below will be this one. Another one which is very, very important. This is the most important on Zora, but if you can, make sure to go and grab yourself also the WalletConnect token airdrop season 1 NFT, which we do have over here. Simply go and buy it. As we see here, the estimate is 42 cents. You can go anywhere where you want to go and grab it yourself over on Zora, whether you want to grab it on Base, on Arbitrum, whichever you want. Let's go, for example, over to Blast. We can change the network and go over to Blast and grab it over there. As we see, make sure to go and mint it. I will leave you this link as well in the description down below. But as we see here is the season 1 of the WalletConnect token airdrop, which marks its first time on the network history. So definitely something to go and collectible, is an opportunity to mint the possibility. So definitely something to go and do, link down below. Another airdrop that is coming really, really soon, which we're going to talk about, is the Jupiter airdrop season 2. Now, one very important thing. First of all, go and do your daily swaps. We are going now to work towards the airdrop season 3, which is going to be in the next year. And to go and be eligible for it, very, very simple. Go and do claim, go and do swaps as we see over here. Do the swaps, do one swap, do 2 swaps, do whatever swaps you want. The more that you do, the better it is for the airdrop allocation. Absolutely, yes. And make sure to go and do it. All of them go from Solana, for example, to USDC, for example. Let's go and say like Solana to USDC. Fine, preparing the swap. We're good to go. We confirm it and we are done. Then from USDC, you can go and swap them directly, for example, to, let's go and put them into the Jupiter token, which it is, you know, their token of choice. So we go and put all of them over to the Jupiter token. Once it's done, as we see here, we simply go and refresh also the page to see the balance skyrocket and go up as it should. Very, very important. Then from Jupiter, you can go and do it. For example, here we got Jupiter. Go and do all the things that you need and go and do it then back to Solana, for example. So, you know, USDC to Jupiter, Jupiter to Solana. Once again, here we have a different amount of token, which we can go and do. And once you got the Jupiter token, you simply go and do all the things that you need to do for the others. So make sure to go and do the swaps. As we see over here, we got another few tokens from Jupiter, then back to Solana. I will replace it. And on we go. This is very important. The other important thing about Jupiter, to go and grab yourself for the both ASR rewards as well as the next airdrop, which we are going to have in January. I will just go and do the last transaction right here. It is very important. And this one, as we see, it is the following one. So if you go over here, the governance, I will leave the link down below, by the way, to go and do all of them swaps on Jupiter. We have the active vote on the J for GC is for the January airdrop, which is going to happen in January. Make sure to go and vote. It needs 70% of the votes to go and, you know, be passed. Otherwise, it needs, if it's less than 70%, we're going to have another voting proposal, which is good for the ASR rewards, for the amount of things that you are able to go and claim. Very, very important. So definitely something to go and do. If you haven't done it, make sure to go and vote, because it ends tomorrow. And it is a very important vote. As you see here, I'm trying to vote for everything. I haven't done the first 3, but that's my bad. The other ones, I've done everything. So make sure to go and vote. Talking another airdrop that is coming very, very soon. We got the Hyperliquid airdrop tomorrow night. Tomorrow, I will release an airdrop to go and claim this airdrop here as well. I will release a video. I am at a marriage tomorrow, so potentially it'll be a little bit later than usual. But we got the Hyperliquid token coming. The TG is coming tomorrow on the 29th of November. There's going to be 1 billion supply. The airdrop allocation is 31% and will be fully unlocked. No vesting. There are no allocation for private investors, centralized exchanges, or market makers, which is really, really good. So if you did participate in this one, congratulations. In tomorrow's video, we will go and see how we're able to go and participate for this season 3 airdrop, which is very, very important and definitely something you should consider and you should know how to do it. And because we also have 38.888% to future mission and community rewards, which means airdrop season 2, which is absolutely incredible. So definitely one of those airdrops that tomorrow we're going to be talking about is going to make a lot of news. If you have the possibility, let me know down in comments below how many tokens or how many points you had for the Hyperliquid airdrop season 1. Let me know down in comments below if you have it or if you did participate, because we did not talk about this. For once, I did not follow this airdrop. We did not talk about this in our channel, but potentially you could have already gotten anyway. So this is definitely one of those airdrops that tomorrow is going to be big waves in the crypto space. Another one, which I do really believe, is Owlto. Now, Owlto, as we see here, I keep on farming. You can go back and check my other videos, my older video. The points are going up because I keep on farming this on a daily basis. We have new quests to go and bridge to the Mint ecosystem, as we see over here. So definitely something to go and do. You got a total of approximately 1,500 point extra to go and grab yourself. And you can swap from any networks that you want all the way to Mint and then back. So very, very simple. And as we go and see, for example, I know we got some funds over on the Optimism ecosystem over here. Let's go and bridge at 0.1 to go and showcase you also the fees. As we see here, it is you getting the points, you're earning the points, you're saving on fees. There's going to be about a 30-second arrival time. And the destination transaction cost is only 0.001. And the bridging fee is free for this area. So make sure that you go and participate. Very, very important to go and grab yourself the airdrop. The points are still counting, so definitely make sure to go and do it. And talking about the Mint ecosystem, which we do have over here, if you haven't yet gone and collected it, make sure to go and do it. And I will leave you the link down below. Simply log in, as we see here, with the wallet. And once you've done it, simply go and collect the points, as you see over here. Simply over on the Mint ecosystem, you can collect it. You can collect everything. Everything is collected as well automatically, as we see over here. No fees to go and collect anything, which is very, very nice. And I will leave the link down below. So make sure to go and do it, which it is one of the best airdrop that you can go and participate for basically free in this period of time. And we got, as you see here, the voice airdrop. So simply go and participate. The voice airdrop is right there. And make sure to go and grab it. As we see here, we do have the everything that you need to go and do, as well as the ecosystem, the application, Mint, etc. But the Owlto one, it is very, very important to go and do it because there are some new missions that you need to go and do in order to get a bigger airdrop allocation for your Owlto airdrop, which is coming in 2024. So within now and a month, you will receive this airdrop as well. Following up, we have the Moongate airdrop claim is now live, with the claiming being on this link down below that I will leave you. The token price is at 0.04 cents. It's live trading on KuCoin, Gate, PancakeSwap, and other possibilities. This is the link. If you can go, you can check your eligibility here for your directly on-chain activity. Simply click the wallet that you can go and connect. For example, let's go and utilize the MetaMask wallet, which you do utilize. Switch over to the Binance Smart Chain. You can check your eligibility. If you are eligible, you will see it over here. If you're not, you will not be eligible, like I am. I am not eligible, but you can go and claim it. So make sure to go and check it right now, which is really, really important. Another one is the Swell wavedrop 1 claim are now live, which we are able to go and see over here. And the claims will remain open for 30 days after the launch. So if you have the possibility, if you were a participant in this protocol, then claim and restake your Swell token over here. Check the eligibility. If you are, I don't think I am, but if you are, make sure to go and claim it, restake it, sell it, do what you want. It's up to you. Honestly, I don't think I even participate on this Swell airdrop, which we have over here. The wave 2 is already currently undergoing, so definitely something to go and consider. But if you want to, let me know also in the comments if you are possible for it or not. And another airdrop which we have over here is the Superform, which I'm not able to go and claim. No, I never used it, but we got 3 airdrops in total to go and claim before the weekend, which is definitely something juicy. We got the MGT, we got the Swell airdrop, and we got the Superform airdrop as well, with all of the other ones that you need to go and do because they are actually really, really amazing. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I will see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.